In this video, you will see how to create table in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy. To create a table in LibreOffice Writer, you will see here the option of Insert Table. You need to click on this small downward triangle and you will see here rows and columns. Just hover your mouse over to this rows and columns to select the number of columns and rows and then click to insert the table. After inserting the table, if you want to add the rows and columns, you can right click and next to the insert option here you can specify row above or row below to add extra rows. And if you want columns, you can right click in any one of the column, go to the insert. You will see the same options of column before and column after. Now let's say you need to specify how many rows and columns do you want, then you can go to the more option and here you can specify the number of columns, let's say 5 by 2. And you can see the table styles here. If you want table styles, you can explore them like this. And if you like any one of the style, you can just click on insert to insert the table with that style. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon if you want to learn more about LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.